Alright, so we are finally in the last step for lesson 13, step 1313. In this step, we will focus on replacing text, finding and replacing text in our document. So let's go ahead and get started. We need to open up step 1313. And we will save this document as workout. Make sure you're saving to your lesson 13 folder. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is position the insertion point at the beginning of the document if you're not already there, which is right here. And on the Home tab in the Editing group, this group right here, click on your Replace button. And it brings up a Find and Replace dialog box. In the dialog box, enter the word training. We want to find the word training in our document. And press Find. So notice it brings up a word, training, and highlights it in the document. Let's scroll down and see if there's anything else that we need to see, and that is it. So we were able to find the word training quickly in our document. Click Find Next to see if there are any more words, and there is another training word, and then Find Next. So you can, depending on which training you want in your document, you can just keep clicking Find Next until it gives you the dialog box that Word has finished searching the document. So Word has found all the training words in your document. Go ahead and click OK and click Cancel. So let's go back to the beginning of our document and select the Replace button again. And notice that even though we've selected the Replace button, we can also find under Replace and also go to. So click on the More button right here. And when you click on the More button, notice that you have more options. In training, even though we closed our dialog box and opened it up, training is still in the search box because we've never cleared it out. So with the more options, notice that you get more options to where you can search specifically in your document. You can find whole words only. You can do a match case, lowercase, or all caps. So we want to click in Replace With, because not only can we can find a word, but we can also replace the word with something else. So you will type workout space workout and make it 2 words, and drop down on the Format button, and notice that a Format dialog box opens, and we want to go to Font, and select Bold Italics and click OK. And let's see, and then select Replace All. And it says Word has completed its search of the document and has made 4 replacements. And you can see here before I click out where Word has, because we selected italics bold, Not only did it find and replace training with workout, but it also applied the format to all the words in our document, and it made 4 changes. So go ahead and click OK. And let's go back to replace with. And this time we're going to type workout as one word, and let's see if there are any occurrences. And if so, we want to replace all. Let's go back to our format, our font group, and this time let's just select bold and change your size to 16 and press OK, and then replace all. So it says Word has completed its search of the document and have made 0 replacements. And why? Because the word workout is in one word, was not listed in this document. So click OK. Alright, so this time let's click on the Find, and in your Find What box, find workout. And click Find Next. And in workout, we would like to replace workout with the word training. Drop down on your format box and go to your font. And this time let's select bold. 16 is still there. Click OK and replace all. So this time we searched workout and replaced the word workout with training, and it made 9 changes based on using find and replace. Click OK. Alright, and close, and just look over your document. Notice all the bold trainings. Now imagine the time it would take if you had a pretty long document that you had to take the time and scroll through to change out every word that you needed to change. The Find and Replace tool allows you to make those changes very quickly in your document by using the Find and Replace. And also, if you go to the Select Object Browser and scroll until you get to Go To, that's another way to get to your Find and Replace. Alright, so we just learned how to find and replace using our editing group. Go ahead and save the changes. This concludes Lesson 13.